Hello guys, good morning. So nandito na naman po tayo sa ating toolbox talk session. Ang topic po natin ngayon is general scaffold. So let's start guys. Scaffolding must be erected only by trained scaffold. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Ito po yung ibig sabihin nito, dapat po ang mag-erect nito is properly trained scaffolders. Tapos meron po tayong scaffolding supervisors at saka scaffolding erectors. Yan po guys ang dapat natin tandaan. So complete scaffold must be inspected before use and then every 7 days or as per your program. Okay guys, and provide green tag if that is okay to use and red tag pag hindi po pwede or hindi pa kumpleto or may problema. Do not climb up the outside of scaffold. Use the proper ladder or stairs provided to you, no? Huwag kayong parang unggoy na umaakyat, okay? Do not adjust scaffolding by yourself. Hindi po kayo train para po dyan sa pag-adjust at kung ano man po ang dapat nyong i-modify sa scaffold. Never throw tools or materials from scaffold from the top, okay? Bawal po, baka makasaktan o mabagok o mapunta sa ulo, sa shoulders, mga bagay na po ganyan. Do not block or overload the working platform. Baka po yan ay bumagsak pag yan ay na-overload. When loading materials on the working platform, stack them as close to the standard as possible. Dapat po tama po yung, alam nyo po yung load or yung capacity na ilo-load nyo sa scaffold. Hindi po basta-basta maglo-load lang. Okay guys, make sure that the materials, tools have been removed from the working platform before scaffold is removed. Again, drop objects ang magiging hazard po ninyo dyan. Kasi habang dinidismantle yan, of course, yung mga nagdidismantle, ang alam nila, free from fall po yung scaffold nila. Always make sure that sure that the trap doors in the working platforms remain closed at all times. Yan po yung mga moving scaffold. Kung mayroon po ngayong provided na pintuan, kailangan po laging close yan. Okay guys, sana mayroon kayong matutunan. Ito pong mga toolbox meeting topic na to, i-upload ko po sa aming group page which is FAST Filipino Associate to Safety. Okay guys, good morning and good luck. If you love the video guys, just like, share and comments and follow my page and my group page. Thank you.